A variable valve timing, or VVT solenoid, is an electromechanical valve that regulates oil pressure to the camshaft phaser. This allows the engine control unit to adjust the timing of valve opening and closing, optimizing engine performance based on driving conditions. VVT improves fuel efficiency, increases power, and reduces emissions. Think of it as a precisely controlled oil valve that changes when your engine valves open and close. The most common causes of VVT solenoid failure include oil sludge buildup that clogs the solenoid, preventing it from functioning properly. Electrical wiring faults, such as shorts or open circuits, can also cause solenoid issues. Manufacturing defects in the solenoid itself are another frequent cause. Low or dirty engine oil is a primary culprit, as it hinders proper solenoid operation and can lead to these failures. First, gather your tools: an OBD2 scanner, multimeter, socket set, and fresh engine oil. Begin by visually inspecting for symptoms such as erratic idle, reduced power, or an illuminated check engine light. Then, use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes related to the VVT system, such as P0110 for the intake camshaft position. Check your engine oil level and condition. Low or dirty oil is a common cause of VVT solenoid problems. If the oil is contaminated, drain and replace it with fresh oil. Next, disconnect the VVT solenoid and use a multimeter to test its resistance. A typical resistance range is between 10 to 30 ohms. Also, inspect the wiring harness for any signs of shorts or damage. Begin step 5 by carefully removing the VVT solenoid from the cylinder head. Visually inspect it for any debris, corrosion, or damage. Clean the solenoid if necessary. For step 6, with the engine running, use a pressure gauge to verify the oil pressure at the solenoid. It should typically be within 40 to 60 psi at idle. Refer to your vehicle's service manual for specific pressure requirements. If the VVT solenoid is faulty, install a new one. Ensure it's properly seated and connected. After replacement, clear any stored diagnostic trouble codes using your OBD2 scanner. Perform an ECU relearn procedure if required. This allows the engine control unit to recalibrate to the new solenoid.